He's logged a second consecutive week of gains, followed by the RBI's decision to keep the interest rates unchanged at 5.25%. Let's have a look at the charts and see what's in store for the markets this week. So, like we had pointed out in our previous video, Nifty's been in a very tight range and it looks like it broke down, but it might open up, gap up within this range. So, we're expecting another day or two of range bound activity until either one of these levels, like 24,750 or 24,550 breaks. And until that happens, it's not going to be very good. And let's just look at the exact levels once. So yeah, on a longer time frame, the actual support is like 23,600. Even that 24,550 level breaking is not really much of a difference. The real level to be watched as 24,367. If that breaks, then we go back within a range bound market. Otherwise, we are overall bullish on the Nifty right now, bullish to neutral. And that being said, the next uh, next resistance is around at 26,200. So it's looking good for Nifty. Now let's look at the FII flows. The FII flows have been slightly positive. They've stopped their selling, which is a good sign for Nifty. And it also means that the USD INR will likely stop depreciating. So what will be our action plan for the market? Let's just look at the option chain once. As per the option chain, people have been slightly bearish. So we have to take a neutral view on the market for this week, be very, very stock specific. Let me open two, three stocks which are on our radar. The first stock on my radar is Maruti. This is actually to look to sell short. As you can see, our engine is also flagging it as bearish. Confidence is not very high, but overall, the case is that it's weakening position and it's losing EV market share to the bigger players like Mahindra and Tata Motors. So, as you can see, the alpha score is also quite low for this. So, it's a decent stock to short. Valuations are also rich, 23 times forward, which is like less than a 5% earnings yield. So, I would personally probably sell a 15,000 or 14,500 call on this, but please take a position as per your risk. And a stock which is looking good to go long is Indigo. Mm, hmm. Yeah, so like you can see, our engine is also flagging it as a bullish buy, but the fundamentals are not very, very strong. It's purely a oil play, since I think oil will be falling given all the good positive news flow and Trump's not wanting to take the risk into midterm elections. So if oil stays low, then Indigo will continue doing well because it has like close to 50% market share in the Indian aviation sector and it's growing rapidly. Its only risk is oil prices. If oil prices go up, Indigo makes a loss. And the RSI is also not very overbought. Just add it to my watch list. So that was all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and stay tuned for more.